You think I'm broken? Yeah, I think so too. In the game or in real life? Which one? Both. I already told you, I'm so sick and twisted. We should fix her. You can't fix me. I'm too far gone. Unless you bring me lots of tea, then maybe. Can you bring me tea? And maybe a latte? And maybe some soup? And maybe some cough drops? Maybe some snacks? Maybe a Nintendo Switch? Oh, I already have one? Well, yeah, but... You know, maybe a Steam Deck? Maybe... Stop! What? Am I asking too much? I'm sick! You're supposed to take care of me when I'm sick! What do you mean you won't? You're supposed to have sympathy for me. Now send me a Steam Deck. I'm just kidding.